Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn on a Samsung phone without the power button. All right, let's begin. If your power button isn't working, you can still turn on your Samsung phone using the volume buttons and a charger. First, make sure your phone has some battery or connect it to a working charger. Next, press and hold both the volume up and volume down buttons at the same time. While continuing to hold both buttons, plug the charger into your phone. Keep holding the buttons until the boot menu appears. Once you see the menu, release the buttons. Then, press the volume down button once. Your phone should begin booting, and the Samsung logo will appear after a few seconds. If you have a newer Samsung phone like me, you will be required me to press the power button along with the volume down. If it doesn't work the first time, try the process again. Make sure you're holding both volume buttons before connecting the charger, as the timing is important for entering the boot menu. So that's basically how you can turn on a Samsung phone without the power button. That's it for this video. Thanks.